Hey, so today we're out here on a job site at one of our clients, and we want to talk about Tuesday tip of mulch. We just did a mulch installation on this particular property. As you can see, we use red mulch. There are a bunch of different kinds of mulch, different types, different colors, different textures. People always ask me, what's better, mulch, pine straw, rocks? And so I wanted to go over a couple of the pros and cons of all those. Mulch itself is great for certain types of properties. We put mulch out. You don't have to worry about dealing with it on a regular basis. You don't have to do it but a little bit every year. The cost on mulch is a little bit more expensive than our pine straw is. The other with pine straw is relatively available. It's cheap, and you can buy it just about anywhere, or you can find the guy in the neighborhood coming through who's got mulch on a pine straw on his truck, and he's more than happy to do it for you. So those are kind of the different things. The pine straw, you get one color, that's it, and then 6 months later, or depending on the kind of straw you use, if you're using long needle pine straw, which is the best kind of pine straw to use, then you may get 4 to 6 months out of it. If you're using slash or short needle straw, well, you're probably going to get about 2 months out of it, or 3 months out of it, depending on how much sun it gets and what areas it's in. Your mulches are the same. You've got your red mulch, black mulch, brown mulch. Those are the most common here in Middle Georgia. And so you can freshen up those mulches. But as you can see, we're in a shopping center parking lot, and so there's a lot of foot traffic in the parking lot, and we see a lot of times the mulch gets knocked into the flower beds. We see a lot of the mulch gets out of the beds, or it gets washed away, it floats. And so you got to take some of those things into consideration as well. One of the other things that we see, and we're getting a lot of calls on this, is rocks. Putting an egg rock or river rock or red rock or different kind of rocks in flower beds. And so you can do those type of rocks. You can do the different types of rocks. They're a lot more expensive than your regular mulches and your pine straw. The problem with rocks is you're actually creating a heat source under the plants, and sometimes with certain plants can cause it to be an issue. It can be very finicky from that regard. So for an example, it'd be like me digging a hole in this asphalt parking lot behind me and then planting a plant inside of it and then saying, hey, it should live here. Because of the heat and the radiance of those rocks actually raises the temperature of the actual plant and can cause some plant material to die. So when you're thinking about what kind of mulches you want to use or what kind of products you want to use, you want to make sure that you're using a good product for your area. You often have to think about the investment, and then are we going to have certain types of things or certain types of plant material and those kind of things. So just trying to keep that in mind while you're out there, while you're making the decision of, do we use pine straw, do we use mulch, do we use rocks? Look at your investment. What's it going to take for me to invest in it? Is it going to, what are the pros and cons? Is it going to float? Is it not going to float? Is pine straw the best option? And look at those different items to figure out what mulch or what product is best for your property. If you need some help with that, as always, we'll be more than happy to help you, and I hope this helpful tip is good for you.